Hello everyone, and here we are going to discuss about electric potential and electric potential difference. Okay, right. So before understanding this one, what you are going to do as usual, I am taking this small battery. Okay, yes, okay, and this side is positive terminal, right, and this side is negative terminal. So this one is positive, and this one is negative, right. So if you are connecting this battery, or if you are using in remote or whatever else, it will work, right. As we know the simple concepts, the current flow from positive terminal to negative terminal, whereas the electron flow will be negative terminal to positive terminal, right, just opposite to the flow of current direction. So current and the electron flow will be in opposite direction. Okay. So here we have one potential, right. So here we have one potential. So we must have the potential difference. Here we have some difference. So this side the positive terminal have higher potential, and this negative terminal has lower potential. So we have some potential difference. So due to that potential difference, the current will flow from positive direction to negative terminal of this battery. Okay. Now here we are going to discuss about electric potential and potential difference. So electric potential means we are carrying a unit positive charge from infinity distance to one point. Okay, only one point. So we have brought up one positive charge from infinity distance to one particular point. For that we must apply some amount of work done or energy we need to. Okay. So that is electric potential. Assume that this battery's charge is located at infinity distance. I am brought up this charge from infinity distance to one particular point, that is in the just opposite to the direction of electric field. So if you have brought up, right, for that I need to spend some amount of work, or I need to spend some energy to bring it to one point, right, from infinity to one point. That is called electric potential. And what is electric potential means, if I am bringing this charge from one point to here, for that I must apply some energy or work done I carried out. Similarly, this is one position, okay, and same thing I carried out that charge to another point here, right. So for potential difference we must require 2 points, right. Then the difference between these two potential is called potential difference, right. I hope you are clear. Now we move on to this one. Electric potential. What is electric potential? The work done by moving a unit positive charge from infinity to other point, right. So I can written V. Generally the electric potential is noted written as symbol as capital V, that is equal to W by Q, where W is work done or energy. So divide by charge, that will give us about electric potential. So here I draw one simple electric field, okay, and that electric field here we have positive charge. Assume that this is in infinity distance, right, or here suppose or assume that here the positive charge we have, right. This positive charge is, we are going to apply some amount of work done, or I am going to apply some energy, or I am going to do some work done to carry this positive charge to this point A, that is called electric potential. Have you understand, right. So the work done by charge, that will gives electric potential. Now electric potential difference means del V, we need 2 points. The work done by moving a unit positive charge from one point to another point. Yes, here I written as del V, here I written as V, try to understand. So del V means difference, so we must require 2 points. Here we have only 1 point, we are carried out from one charge from one particular point, that is it. But here we must require the 2 points. In that 2 points, if you have the potential difference, then definitely there will be a flow of current in that circuit. So this del V is electric potential difference, that we can written as del W, that is change in work done or change in energy, divided by charge, that we can written as VA minus VB, or sometimes we can write VB minus VA but this potential difference may be a 0 or positive or negative, we can say, right. Okay. And here I draw one simple diagram for understanding. This is a positive charge. Okay. Initially I carry this positive charge to this point A. Okay. So at the point it has some electric potential V suffix A. Afterwards I applying some amount of energy or work done to move this point B. In that point it have electric potential V suffix B. Then the difference between these 2 points is called as, we are saying, electric potential difference. Yes. So for electric potential difference we must require 2 points. So this is for electric potential difference. From that we can define 1 volt. So both case electric potential and electric potential difference have the SI unit of volt. So 1 volt, how we can define the way, 1 joule of work done, 1 joule of work is carrying 1 coulomb of charge, then we can say that that is called 1 volt. 1 joule of work done or 1 joule of work to carry 1 coulomb of charge against its electric field, that will gives 1 volt. Yes, it's clear. Okay. Here this potential difference, how we can measure? Yes, we can use voltmeter to measure the potential difference. How this voltmeter should be connected, parallelly or series? Yes, voltmeter should be connected as parallelly. Why? Because this voltmeter have high resistance. How we can measure the current? Yes, voltmeter? No. Current can be measured by ammeter. How it can be connected in a circuit? In series connection, because this ammeter have low resistance. Try to understand, ammeter has low resistance, voltmeter has high resistance. That is why voltmeter is connected in parallel and ammeter is connected in series. I hope you understand well.